Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add a teaspoon of Carom Seeds. This Carom Seeds fight bacteria and fungus, improves cholesterol levels, lowers blood pressure, prevents coughing and has anti-inflammatory effects. Then add half teaspoon of ginger powder. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. This ginger contains gingerol, which has powerful medicinal properties, can treat nausea and morning sickness, helps in weight loss and lowers your blood sugar levels. Then add a teaspoon of Gooseberry Chopped. Gooseberry helps in weight loss as they break down the fat cells and convert them to energy. They are rich in fiber and low in calorie, controls blood sugar levels, protects your brain and very good for your heart health. Then add 1 cup of lukewarm water. Close it with the lid and let this rest for 5 minutes. The essence of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. It's been 5 minutes, so let's open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to a mug. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just half a lemon is more than sufficient. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Now a healthy fat melter drink is ready to consume. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this weight loss drink recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.